Okay, so this is Mr. Bartlett, guys. We're going to go through the notes on days 5 and 7, starting here at the top. All right, so the first part of this is angles with a vertex on the center of the circle. So the vertex is right here, and you can see that vertex is right at the center, and there's going to be a relationship between the center angle and that arc out here. Okay, so in this case, if angle ABC is 85 degrees, then the arc AC will be 85 degrees. Okay, so that's with the center angle, the arc and the angle are going to be the same. So the next circle we're going to look at is angles with a vertex on the circle. So vertex on the circle would be right here, right? B is on the point of the circle there. And there's still a relationship between the arc and the angle, but it's a little bit different. Okay, so in this case, the arc is double the angle, or the angle is half of the arc. So we'll look at a couple examples of that down here. All right, so this one, they're telling us AOB, so that's going to be the center angle, right, is 90 degrees. So if this is 90 degrees, I would know also that arc AB is going to be 90 degrees. And then there's going to be a relationship between that angle and that arc and the inscribed angle there, right? So that would be half. So if it's 90, 90 divided by 2 is going to equal 45 degrees. So this angle right here would be 45 degrees. Okay. Just a couple other practices with the same idea. Here they're saying AOB is 44 degrees. So again, if the angle, the center angle is 44 degrees, that arc AB would be 44 degrees, and the inscribed angle up here would be half of that. So 44 divided by 2 would equal 22 degrees. So that would be 22 degrees. Okay? Same relationship, just changing the numbers a little bit. AOB would be 100 degrees. So then that inscribed angle, angle C, ACB, would be half that. That would be 50 degrees. All right? If AOB happened to be 18 degrees, right, in order to find this angle up here, we do 18 divided by 2, it would be 9 degrees. Okay? So those are the two relationships we're going to look at with inscribed angles when it's on the side, or the center angles there. So let's go down and look at a couple examples here. So in example 1, the center angle is 38 degrees. So we should know that this arc right here would also be 38 degrees. Okay, so arc 2 would be 38 degrees. All right, angle 1 then would be half of that arc. So angle 1 would equal 38 divided by 2, right, which is going to be 19. Okay, let's look at this one here. So measure of angle 1. So here's my vertex. It's on the circle. There's my 2 points. So I have that relationship with the arc. So angle 1 would equal 114 degrees divided by 2, which is going to be 57 degrees. And then the center angle right there is going to be the same as the arc, right? So if my arc is 114, angle 2 would be 114 as well. Okay? All right. This one we're kind of doing the same thing, but it's going to flip. So here they're telling me my angle is 18 degrees and my vertex is on the circle. They want to know the arc. So the measure of arc 1 is going to be 18 times 2, which which is going to equal 36. All right. And then angle 2 here. So now I know this arc is 36. I need to find this angle, right? This angle 2 right here. So I need to figure out what this arc is on the bottom that they don't give me. However, now since I know all the rest, I can take 360 minus 100 from there, minus 36 from here, minus 134. All right, and that is going to give me 90. So now I know this arc is 90. So once I have the arc is 90, I know that angle with the vertex on the circle is going to be half that. So angle 2 will be 45 degrees. All right. I'm going to stop this video now so we don't have a giant file, and I'll do the second part in another video.